So I've done it a little bit budget this trip compared to what I would normally do, I won't lie. But today's a day I'm splashing out and spoiling myself a little bit. So I've got a business class flight from Koh Samui to Bangkok with Bangkok Airways. So just enjoying the lounge at the moment, which is lovely. And then tonight I'm staying at the Hard Rock Hotel in Pattaya. Going to Pattaya for the Sanctuary of Truth, Nong Nooch Gardens and the Hard Rock Cafe, Hard Rock Hotel. Not the other craziness of Pattaya. So just heading to board the plane through Gate 1, Koh Samui Airport. Thank you very much. It was a lovely business class flight, really enjoyed that. Bangkok Airways, Koh Samui to Bangkok. Baggage claim at Suvarnabhumi. Love it here, love this airport. All present and accounted for. Now just down to hire a car and we're off to Pattaya.